Hey everybody, what's going on? I hope you're all having a good Monday. Well, if you're watching this when it first uploads, it's Monday. But this video is going to be a little bit different. Me and my buddies are doing some trout fishing up in North Georgia. I've been twice before. This is the third time. Seth's been a couple times and Samuel's never been. So we're going to go up here, do some trout fishing. I'm filming this the day after. The videos, it's a little all over the place. I wasn't going for solely to make a YouTube video. I wore the chest camera. We were just up there having a good time, and I just put the camera on and let it roll. So I wasn't like it was when I'm bass fishing, like talking about everything and showing. We were just up there fishing, having a good time. So I'm just gonna put some of the video together from yesterday. But y'all stick around. It's a good video, and it's some awesome scenery up there catching those trout in those streams. So y'all should enjoy this one. Trout. Where? Oh my God! There we go. Hold on, let's see. All right, Seth's got the first one of the morning. Is that what is that? A rainbow trout? It is. All right, everyone. That's number one of the trip. 23 to go. That's what we're gonna call. They school, right? They're not. Well, I don't. There could be just like 3 or 4, but the last time we were here, it wasn't this spot. Y'all were just picking and you just put them in. Yeah, let's do that. I don't feel like keeping up. That's a native trout, I think, or a brook trout. It's not a rainbow trout. Is he off the thing? Yeah, look at that. That's what Samuel just caught. I'm going in after him. Yeah, then I couldn't go to work. That'd be unfortunate. I'll get workers' comp. You think I'd get that at my company? You think I would get that, Seth? Cutting the grass. There we go. Like these fish are so pretty. Like I don't even know what that is. It's a salmon. That's a brook trout, isn't it? Yeah, look at his mouth. You tell me when we're getting salmon up here. Really? That stupid thing just broke my line. Well, it's gonna take me a second to get this one undone, but look at that. Little pink on it. It's a nice little fish. You could really see them. Okay, so look, we're having an intermittent break. We're driving to the next spot. Seth's got this camera way too close, I feel like, but we're taking a Mountain Dew break. They don't know if y'all know, Mountain Dew has their outdoor program. I'm actually a part. Uh-oh. What is that? Seth, what's this? Small trout. Samuel's got him one. It was real little, but yeah. Alright, this is what we do when we can't catch any fish. You see this? Oh. Oh, the little bridges. You get those little, just enough eddy. He's up there like Bear Grylls. Oh my God. There we go. Samuel's got him one. Hold on. Oh no. Okay, hold on. Here, I'll grab the fish if you get untangled. Or I'll stand down here and make sure. Alright. Oh, he's off. Okay, there's Samuel's. What is that? The second? That's like the second or third one you've caught. It's a pretty little fish. It's got the, I don't know if you can tell. Oh, let me switch around this way. Oh, I'm gonna drop him. It's a nice little trout.
Now I gotta go carry him back to the other front.
I will. He's croaking. Holy crap! There we go. Samuel just said that he got a hit and caught one literally on the back trout fishing on the waterfall. That's what, number 9 or 10, I think. I don't know if y'all can see that, but Samuel just caught another one over there. That's 2 he's caught right there off this waterfall. It's a pretty good little spot, I guess. That's a good one. He's got one. Hi. Oh my God. Ah! Well, we ended up catching, I think we kept 10 and we caught 11 or 12. 2 of them were like really small. We threw them back, but we had a good time. I don't know how many clips you'll see of fish. Some of them were not good. I know there was one that I didn't have on video, but we fell a lot. I fell in the water a couple times. I'm sure I put that in the video, but like I said, this is the next day. This little bit different video up there trout fishing. We're actually planning on going again this coming weekend, so we're gonna try to camp out maybe. So I should have another trout video, or maybe even 2, hopefully. We really enjoy that. It's nice up there. The worst part is it's a long drive and you gotta go through Atlanta, but other than that, it's awesome up there. I love that close contact fishing. That's why I always, even when I'm bass fishing, up in a creek, way back up in the woods, I love fishing that way. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and y'all stick around for the next one. Thanks.